Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelin bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. A touching Christmas concert 2023 was organized on the evening of 4th December with the English choir of St. Teresa at the initiative of Father Petisan, currently parish priest of the St. Teresa of the Child Jesus parish in Hua Hin and former provincial of Salesian, Thailand. The event took place right in front of the parish and attracted a large audience of faithful. Father Petisan, before the beginning, recalled the message of love that Christmas brings with it and wished great happiness to all those present. Soon after, the talented musicians of the choir delighted the audience with the most traditional Christmas songs such as Silent Night and We Wish You a Merry Christmas. A meeting was held on the theme Initial Literacy Challenges and Opportunities at the National University of La Rioja, UNLAR. This initiative, jointly organized by the Angelelli Salesian House belonging to the Salesian province of Northern Argentina and the Argentinos por la Educación organization, had as its central objective to address the problem of literacy from a strategic approach. During the meeting, which is part of the National Campaign for Literacy, topics such as the current diagnosis, current initiatives and strategies to improve the literacy landscape in the country were discussed. The initiative seeks to coordinate efforts between educational institutions, social organizations and local government agencies to influence the formulation of effective education policies. The Salesian Angelelli House in La Rioja plays a crucial role. Its socio-educational proposal benefits more than 1,000 boys, girls, adolescents, young adults and adults, posing a significant challenge to educate and evangelize so that each person can fully exercise their right to education. At the beginning of December, over 100 people, about 45 Salesians of Don Bosco and Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, together with 60 lay people, involved in Salesian proposals for young people in France, Belgium and Tunisia, met in Paris for the Share the Dream event. The goal for everything was to get to know each other better and to increase the number and significance of proposals for young people. Thus, over the weekend of 2nd and 3rd December, this large assembly of people at various levels close to Don Bosco and his charism could see, if there was still any doubt, the extraordinary wealth of proposals for young people offered by the Don Bosco network, animated by the Salesians of the St. Francis de Sales province of France and Belgium South, and by the Salesian family active in the same territories. On 8 December, the Salesian clerics Mikael Kekum Takim, Lucian Mary Chinoso Okafor, Maria Jerin Anthony Sami and Maria Paulson Aswind Pila Vendren made their final profession in the Salesian College, Pallas Kenry in Limerick. The date and place was specifically chosen to testify to the young people of the college that these 4 young people have dedicated their lives to the service of God and young people. It is the mother house of the Salesian province, San Patricio, founded over 100 years ago. During her homily on the feast of the Immaculate Conception, Father Eunant MacDonald, superior of the IRL province, called the young people's attention to the fact that Mary was a teenager when she was called by God to carry out the project. Don Bosco founded the Salesians with a group of teenagers, and the 4 young people who took the vows began their Salesian life as teenagers. It was a wonderful occasion to overflowing with vitality, life and joy. The Don Bosco Institute of Mexico City was the host of the National Parents Meeting, which took place from 24 to 26 November on the theme Salesian Families in Action for Education. The inter-provincial event brought together around 180 parents of pupils from the institutes of the Salesian Schools Network of Mexico, made up of the 4 provinces of Mexico, 2 from the Salesians of Don Bosco and 2 from the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians. The meeting was convened by the Salesian National Educational Team, chaired by Father Carlos Alberto Montoya Manzo SDB and coordinated by its members. Don Bosco High Secondary School, Silchar, brought the spirit of friendly competition to Shillong this week with the Inter-School Bosco Olympics. Held on December 13, 14 and 15, the event saw 18 schools from Meghalaya, Tripura, Assam and Mizoram converge on the school grounds to participate in a diverse range of athletic and cultural activities. The atmosphere was electric, buzzing with the excitement of students and teachers alike. The theme of the event, Peace and Friendship, resonated throughout the 3 days, emphasizing the importance of building camaraderie and sportsmanship through healthy competition. The opening ceremony was a spectacle in itself. Dr. Father M.C. Thomas, the guest of honor, delivered an inspiring speech, highlighting the crucial role of sports in a student's life. He emphasized the message that education and sports go hand in hand, urging every student to embrace the benefits and opportunities offered by athletic pursuit. Father Babu Stephen, Head of Education and Culture, Shillong Province, also graced the occasion with his presence, adding to the weight and significance of the event. Reverend Father Surjit Tiga, Principal of Don Bosco School, Silchar, further fueled the enthusiasm by encouraging students to actively participate in sports and imbibe the true spirit of sportsmanship. The ceremony unfolded with a vibrant display of cultural performances by Don Bosco School students, followed by a captivating march past by all participating schools. The air throbbed with cheers and applause as students proudly showcased their school spirit. The days that followed were a testament to the athletic prowess and unwavering determination of the participating students. From the 100-meter sprint to long jump, shot put and badminton, the Don Bosco School grounds became a stage for showcasing talent and pushing boundaries. Chess, basketball, football, volleyball, throwball, the list of sports offered something for everyone, ensuring that every student had a chance to shine. The energy and enthusiasm were palpable, with cheers and encouragement echoing from the amphitheater and galleries as students competed and celebrated each other's victories. The Bosco Olympics transcended the realm of pure competition, offering a platform for cultural exchange and understanding. The evenings were dedicated to showcasing the diverse artistic traditions of the participating regions. Through song, dance, and music, students shared their unique cultural identities, fostering a sense of camaraderie and appreciation for each other's heritage. As the final whistle blew on the last event, the Inter-School Bosco Olympics concluded on a high note. The event was not just about winning and losing, it was a celebration of sportsmanship, teamwork, and the enduring power of friendship. The students who participated left with not only memories of their athletic achievements, but also a renewed sense of unity and respect for their peers from across the region. The Bosco Olympics serve as a powerful reminder that sports can be a bridge connecting individuals and communities through the universal language of competition and shared passion. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.